Hello, sweet ones, and welcome to this sacred space. Today we are entering a meditation to align with Christ consciousness, to surrender deeply to the flow of life, and to open ourselves as vessels for miracles. Wherever you are, settle into a comfortable position. Rest your hands gently in your lap or over your heart. Allow your body to soften and relax. Let's begin with a few cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension, any thoughts. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, softening your shoulders, your jaw, your mind. One more time. Breathe in deeply, filling your body with peace. And as you exhale, imagine letting go of anything at all that feels heavy or stuck. Bring your awareness to the earth beneath you. Feel the support of the ground or chair holding you. With every inhale, imagine drawing in a steady, grounding energy from the earth. With every exhale, allow any restlessness, doubt, or tension to flow out of your body and into the earth, where it will be transformed, alchemized. Breathe in grounding. Breathe out releasing. With each breath, imagine your body becoming more still, more rooted. Now visualize a gentle golden light forming at the base of your spine. This light represents peace, love, and the presence of divine consciousness. With every inhale, this golden light becomes to rise. It flows up your spine, expanding into your heart space, up to your shoulders, arms, fingertips, into your throat, filling your voice with truth, and finally to the crown of your head. You are a vessel of divine light. You are connected, held, and safe. Now bring your attention to your heart. Place your hands gently over it, feeling its warmth, its rhythm, its life. As you breathe into your heart space, silently repeat these words: I surrender. I trust. I allow life to flow through me. Let those words settle into your body. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means opening. It means releasing control and trusting that you are being guided, supported, and held by a force greater than yourself. Now visualize yourself standing on the edge of a calm, expansive river. This river represents the flow of life, the divine intelligence that supports you in every waking moment. Imagine yourself gently stepping into the water. You don't need to swim or struggle. Allow the current to carry you. Feel the water's gentle flow around you. Feel yourself softening, letting go of any resistance. As you float, silently release. I release what I cannot control. I trust that life is carrying me to exactly where I need to be. Let yourself surrender to this flow. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to be held. From this place of surrender, begin to feel a deep connection to the divine energy that flows through all of life. This energy is limitless love. It is peace. It is abundance. It is wisdom. Now imagine this energy pouring down into your body like a waterfall of golden light. It flows into your heart, filling you with a profound sense of worthiness. It flows into your mind, dissolving fear, doubt, and scarcity. It flows into your entire being, filling every cell with love, peace, and trust. As this light fills you, imagine the miracles you desire gently rising from your heart. Visualize them as small orbs of light, each one holding the energy of what you desire. A life filled with peace, ease, and abundance. opportunities that feel aligned and joyful, a love that meets you fully, deeply, beautifully. See each of these orbs of light glowing in your heart, and now offer them to the universe. Release them with gratitude, saying silently, I trust that what is meant for me is already on its way. I surrender the how and the when. I am open to receiving miracles. Feel the energy of trust, surrender, and possibility around you. Christ consciousness is love. It is truth. It is the knowing that you are already held, supported, and whole. Now bring your focus back to your heart. Imagine it glowing with radiant golden light, brighter and warmer than before. Silently repeat these affirmations, letting each one settle deep into your being. I am a vessel for divine love. I trust the flow of life and open to the miracles waiting for me. I am worthy of peace, ease, and abundance. I surrender. I allow. I receive. Feel these words becoming your truth. Take a deep breath in and let this energy anchor into your body, into your heart, into your reality. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to offer gratitude for your breath, for your heart, for the infinite possibilities waiting to flow into your life. Breathe in deeply, filling your body with gratitude and love. Breathe out fully, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Know this: you are held, you are supported, you are a magnet for miracles simply by being who you are. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, taking one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me today. Take this energy with you into your life and trust that miracles are flowing to you even now. Namaste.